first ever workshop in India wherein you will learn the art of pre-pleating the saree without taking a tape and measuring an opposite person. Yes, you heard it right. Without measuring an opposite person, you can pre-pleat the saree which fits perfectly for all the body sizes. You will learn all these hidden techniques inside the workshop, and you will learn the art of draping different styles of saree in just 5 minutes. This workshop is for the persons who want to learn the art of pre-pleating and draping different styles of sarees for self, and it is for the people who want to learn the art of pre-pleating the saree, box folding the saree, and draping different styles of sarees perfectly for the clients. So this is the 2 days workshop. First day you will learn pre-pleating, box folding, and also different tools usage with also the measurements. Second day you will learn all the different styles of draping like North Indian style, South Indian style, Madwadi style, and the Dhoti style and the can style. You will learn all these different styles of draping. In case if you miss watching the, if you miss joining the online workshop, you can watch the videos, recorded videos according to your convenience, which will be provided after the class, which will be valid for next 2 days. So what are you waiting for? You will get a full WhatsApp community support wherein if you have any kind of doubts related to saree, you can reach out to us anytime for any doubts. So what are you waiting for? Hi, myself Subia. I am saree draping expert coach. I have certified more than 1000 plus students. So click the link below and enroll in the workshop. I'll see you inside my workshop. Thank you.